Let's take a look at how the tablet press is set up. Take a look at the setting parameters. This is to set the pressure, demolding pressure setting time and timing switch. Click on one of them to make the modification. It can be changed according to the experiment. This is the timing switch. There will be a countdown to relieve pressure when it is turned on. These are the operating parameters. Click to the advanced interface. There are 3 options here. It represents the serial number, tonnage, and time. When the first item reaches the set value, then it will jump to the next item. And so on until all is completed. How is this set up? Click on the program settings in the settings interface. It can be seen that there is an increase or decrease here. Click on one of them to modify the parameters. After setting it up, just click Save. It can be seen that the setting is successful here. This is the sample setting. Modify according to the experimental requirements. Here is the sample size, demolding pressure and pressure replenishment range. It was set up before leaving the factory. No need to change. This is data management. Here are the historical records left. One of them can be selected for a call. The call was successful. Return to the standard interface. Click Pressurize and the equipment will start to operate. Pressure relief can also be carried out. After pressing, just click Demolding.